Hey guys, Dr. Bobby Sykes here from Parkhurst NuVision in San Antonio, Texas. And today we have VUITY eye drops. Now, if you're somebody who has to wear readers to find your readers, or you have like 72 pairs of readers all over the house, this is an exciting day for you. We all know that as we get wiser in age, as we get into our 40s, we start to experience age-related blurry near vision, or presbyopia, where we start to lose the ability to zoom in up close. Everything up close starts to get blurry. Now, every year this gets worse, and so you have to continue to, every year you have to get a new pair of readers that are stronger and stronger and stronger. Or you start holding your arms further and further and further away. There are other strategies like putting more light. Well, eventually, right, your arms aren't long enough, you don't put enough light, maybe you're just tired of these reading glasses. Well, VUITY may be an option for you. VUITY is going to be a drop that you use once a day, and it actually uses the eye's natural ability for the pupil to get smaller. Now, when the pupil gets smaller, it actually extends our depth of focus so that we're actually able to see up close. Now, this drop was approved based on a study that was done with this drop that was used once a day. And using this drop once a day, what they saw was it starts working actually within 15 to 30 minutes and can last for patients from anywhere from up to 6 to 10 hours. And so if you're tired of putting on readers to find your readers or having different pairs of readers all over the house, then this may be an option for you. Now, I know you probably have a lot of questions like, okay, so how do I get this drop? Well, this drop, you're gonna need a prescription. So you're actually gonna need to go get an eye exam, and you're gonna need to see if this is a good option for you. Here at Parkhurst NuVision, we have evaluations starting tomorrow to see if patients who have been waiting for this drop, if this is right for them. Now, once you get this prescription, you can go to a pharmacy, and we've heard it's gonna be about $79 a month. And you'll basically get this prescription, you'll be able to go get those drops. Now, I'm sure you have plenty of questions. Are there any side effects? And the side effects in the study, some patients can have headaches, some patients can have red eyes. There's so many things that we still have to get into. But for now, just kind of wanted to share this video and saying VUITY is here. And if you have any more questions, feel free to visit our website, parkhurstnuvision.com, or feel free to give us a call, 210-585-2020.